Morning. Welcome back to a beautiful day again in the Ortvienne. So we're back at the Chateau for the next couple of weeks. We've taken a couple of weeks off working for other people to be able to get some work done at the Chateau. And I thought I'd take you down to the laundry room. Ted's already down there to show you. We're going to spend the next couple of weeks in the laundry room and try and get that room finished. I think it's been over a year since we started working down there. It's actually probably a year and a half, and it's about time that we got that room finished. I just got to show you. I just walked past. Look at the silk tree. This is absolutely beautiful. I love this tree. It came out really early this year because we've had so much heat this year that it came out really early and has kept so beautifully. It's absolutely lovely. Anyway, let's continue down to the laundry room. Excuse me for walking very slowly. It's not for dramatic effect. I've actually injured myself. My daughter and grandson came out a couple of weeks ago, and for the last 5 years of living here, I've been desperate to get on the Aquaparc at our local lake. And Edward, my grandson, is now 8 years old, so he can go on it. So me, Pamela and Edward went on the Aquaparc, and it resulted in a bit of an injury on crutches. That was a couple of weeks ago. That's why there was no vlog last week. And I've torn ligaments and stuff in my knee. So anyway, it will take a while to heal, but yeah, that's about it really. Right, Ted, baby. Right, what are we up to down here?
I'm just checking to see what needs to be done. You know, it's there's a few things that we need to do just to tidy things up.
There's not that much though, is there?
No, I don't. You know, and the thing is, you know, we could go over the top and do things that we wanted to do, but I think it's just a case of really just tidying it up and making it look a little bit more presentable, which is, you know, I know one thing we wanted to do is tile the back of this,
yeah,
which, you know, gets rid of that, which is quite nice, you know.
I'm pretty sure we've got a load of leftover tiles.
Oh, we have.
Yeah.
I don't know what, it could be a mixed match of, you know, but then it just becomes cleaner and functional, doesn't it? You know, and you can do whatever. And we're still using it because we're still living here. So the more we make it nice, the more it's nice, enjoyable to. This sink as well is one of the big things. This was here when we came and was in this room, so it's fitting that it's still here. And I wanted to, so you know, I wanted it to fit in here when we first did it, but obviously a little bit crazed on the outside, and it's, you know, it's got some rust marks and some scratches and all that sort of thing. So I wonder if we could refurb that.
Yeah.
And just make it look cleaner. Quite honestly, it's clean. And if you were doing any sort of hand washing, when you put that tap on, because you put that tap on, did it have end caps here?
Yeah.
Where are they?
They're in the other room.
Oh, well, that's good, because I was, you know. Because obviously that's not connected yet.
No.
I don't think it's connected. Did you take the end caps off?
Yeah.
When you put it on, so there was some brass end caps.
Yeah.
Right, good. Nothing came out.
No.
That's good. That's good to know. That just reminds me of, I need to speak to Lee to get him to connect the ballon upstairs.
Is this room connected to the upstairs ballon?
Yeah, this is connected to the new one which is above apartment 4. So because we're below apartment 4,
yeah,
and that's above apartment 4. So this is the 2 stories above it. So the main thing is to fill the windows in. So we need to start possibly with this one. Get all that off in it, and it's such an arrow slit, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I've got to, you know, I just one of these things. It's like, let's just go back a minute, right? So when you do this mortaring lark,
yeah,
I know you like flowing edges,
yeah,
but when other fellas have got to come after you and put windows in,
what's wrong with that then?
Look at that.
Yeah.
That's not so bad. But it means, the worst thing is, it means I have to chip all that out to get a straight edge, because I'm not going to curve.
Why can't you curve it?
Well, I can curve it, but it just creates work.
Curves.
It creates work. So I don't know whether...
It doesn't matter if you chip it out, because I can always then just come in and mortar like
yeah,
back.
the only thing is obviously chipping out the front of it.
Where are you going to put the window in there?
Well, the idea is that we still want some kind of little shelf here, so maybe about there.
Yeah.
But that does get rather big, and I've only got... I don't want to go out. What I don't want to do is go out and buy glass.
We've got some glass.
So I have to make the frame effectively to accommodate the glass rather than... So I'm going to do that. I'll then maybe chop that stone out. I've got a new piece of kit for our SDS, which is supposed to be able to, you know, just gently chip out stone. Yeah.
Okay, so window, sink.
Yeah. And then this is all to tidy this up, because I wanted to tidy this up here. So to maybe put a little piece of board over here and then maybe run a box. Obviously I've got my sensor, but then I can move my sensor. I think he's only screwed it in one side anyway. So yeah, we could take that out, and then I could do my box in there and just bung it back on the box. You know, it works really well. Yeah, finish that off. Then there's this here, which I don't like, up here with the water for the summer kitchen.
No, so my idea was to make a cabinet, or even go to Maximum's to see if we could buy an old cabinet or something.
Or either I could just, you know, like build something that was this big. Maybe off here, you know, put a piece in here so I've got something to hang it off, and just make it that big so it sticks out. Nice bit of insulation. But yeah, stick it big enough out that you could then just open the door. You could put some bits in it, but you can turn this on and off.
Yeah.
And there's big cable running in there as well that comes, again, that's for the summer kitchen. So that has to run out there, so we can't move that. And then it goes out the wall there. But yeah, to clean that up, and then obviously it's just to address the ceiling in here. So the idea was originally to was to board straight over the top of it. Then we thought about, can we board between it? Because we've now got lots of, you know, places to attach board to. I think we've gone back to the idea of boarding over the top of it, haven't we? And because you've still got the height, we're going to come down. How far am I away from there?
About that much.
About that much?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's going to be quite tight.
A bit more than that.
Yeah, so it's going to be quite tight.
Yeah.
Because once you've got your hangers and you can your rail, obviously it has to be straight, because otherwise it's a right pain in the backside. So it's going to be quite low, but it is what it is. Mm. I think that's all we can do. We definitely don't want to go down the plastic road.
Oh no.
That we did, because that's just awful. And then this side again, it's just a case of, you know, the only problem we've got here, and I think that is, we do it in 2 sections. I literally run those in at that angle, or I could run it, actually I could drop them down and run it all the way through the same, because you can get long hangers, and then we just do that. Yeah. So I think that's about it. What are you up to, Lennon?
So I thought I'd go put my feet up. I thought I'd go and have a pedicure, manicure, get my hair done.
People are going to fiddle around with your feet.
Let me take a look.
Holy crack-a-moly.
Is that all you took from that?
Well, I, you know, I'm not one to say that you don't deserve it. I absolutely 100% think you deserve to put your feet up. What I'm worried about is the poor person that's got to deal with them plates. I'll tell you what.
No.
I tell you, there ain't enough money in the world.
I think I've had a pedicure once in my life.
Have you really?
Yeah.
Oh,
For my 40th birthday, the twins took me for a pedicure, and never again. Anyway, no, actually, I'm going to get the bread oven done.
Oh, fantastic.
So yeah, it needs to be finished, and I had an idea, and I've bought something that I'm hoping is going to work. But I need your help first of all to blow it up.
Right on. Okay,
So,
well, let's go.
Let's get started.
Yeah, there's a lot of work still to be done.
Yeah. I'm hoping this is going to be big enough. So while Ted's doing the window, I'm going to try and finally finish this bed oven. If you remember rightly, last time I tried using the hopper as a former, and it was great for the front part, but the inside of the bed oven is so much bigger, and every time I put that in, the stones just fell down because they're obviously at an angle. So I've gone for the big guns, got an exercise ball, and we've blown it up inside. And hopefully that will stop things falling down the bag, and that will give me my former, so I can now make the rest of my archway. Fingers crossed, because otherwise if that doesn't work, I think I'm going to have to give up. I don't think we've ever given, in 5 years, have we ever given up on a project, baby?
No.
Never.
No, we've never given up. You know, we might have stepped away and thought about it again.
I keep stepping. This has been like 2 years in the making, hasn't it?
Yeah,
we must have started this thing 2 years ago.
Yeah.
But anyway, let's get on and give this one a try.
So this is stuff I've used loads of it, and I've just found a couple of bits in the old barn that I'm going to rip up the frame. I made the frame, and as you see, I've chamfered the edges, just to give me an idea to get into this gap. However, as you'll see, there's rather a lot of shavings here, planer shavings, because I had to take a little bit off of either side to see if it'll fit, and I'm pretty sure that with a little bit of fiddling about, that fits in there. All right. We'll just offer that up just to make sure that it's level, and it is as level as I need it to be. I'm sure people have said that before. So we've got a little rebate in there, or a rabbit as the Americans call it, and that's for the glass panel to go in, and then I've got some strips that will tap in there with a little, just like a picture frame, and that will be in there, and then it's for my lady wife to do her magic all around the outside to seal it up. I think I better go and paint it now. So how's it coming along? Wow!
Look, done.
That looks amazing. I love it. Blimey, did I build that window and you put that in?
Yeah.
That looks absolutely fantastic. I love it.
It's good, isn't it?
Oh, it looks like it's always been there, that's the thing.
Yeah, and the one over there.
Stuff. There's a lot of stuff.
So,
and another one in there. Oh man, they look fantastic.
Airtight now in here.
Yeah, I know. That's probably the first time ever.
Yeah.
In its entire history that this place has not had significant large air holes everywhere.
Yeah. Anyway, so that's 2 jobs ticked off the list for this week. Come back Monday. Yes, you're right. Monday. Now we're back working at the Chateau. We're going to do 2 vlogs a week, Monday and Friday. Don't forget, please like and subscribe. Accounts have gone way down. We did just reach the 21,000. Then somebody commented saying congratulations on the 21,000, and we suddenly went down 100.
And it just started going south. And it started going south.
Don't know what's happening. I've had quite a few people tell me they've been unsubscribed, so please check if you think you've been subscribed. We are here every week, so if you've missed any, go back and take a look.
But again, there's only 50% of our subscribers, or 50% of the people who watch our videos subscribed. So if you would like to do that, it doesn't cost a penny. It really helps us out. So that would be fantastic if you can do that. Anyway, we'll see you on Monday to see what more we can get done on the list. And there's something else we're going to be doing as well. Dun, dun, dun. Anyway, see you Monday. Take care, everyone. Love to you all.